State versus Jeremiah Witt, conspiracy to obtain a controlled substance by fraud. Obtaining controlled substance by fraud, 11-277. Is this a revocation?
It's a revocation, Judge.
I believe there's going to be a recommendation to amend this to a contempt citation, sentencing to 60 days in the county jail.
Mr. Witt, have you failed to pay court-ordered fines, cost, and restitution, and failed to report to your probation officer as you ordered to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to find that you're in contempt of court, sentence you to 60 days in the Baxter County Jail. You get credit for time served?
Yes.
With credit for time served. Thank you.
He won't have, he's not completed the 60 days at this point. He just has some jail time credits coming, Judge.
Very well.
All right, thank you.
State versus Twinette Harris, 10-278, hot checks.
Your Honor, she's on the revocation docket. I visited with Ms. Harris about the allegations. She's been in her plea of not true.
Okay. Hearing on May 30th. Did she come up with any money?
You know, we request a $1,000 cash bond between now and that time. It's a hot check case with approximately $3,000 in restitution.
$1,000 cash bond. Okay, maybe seated, man. State versus Jonathan Evans. Sir, there was a petition for a warrant
Yes,
against you for allegedly non-payment of fines and costs and restitution. The case has not yet been set up, but I understood you were served with a warrant.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna-
I've went and booked myself in.
Okay. I'm going to order that you reappear in this court on August 15th at 10 o'clock.
Okay.
August, yes.
I just went and paid $300 on it to get it caught up,
Okay?
and all I've got to do, I just got to know how much I got to pay each month on my restitution and fines.
Good. Do you have a probation officer?
I have a parole officer in Paragould, Arkansas, is where I live.
Call him and ask him.
He don't know nothing about it. He didn't even know about my restitution or fines.
Harry, could someone at some point tell him what he's supposed to be paying? Yeah, just contact their office later today.
Okay.
You need-
August 15th,
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Okay. 13-112, State versus Rose Elam, delivery of marijuana, unlawful use of a communication device.
Judge, let the record reflect that I'll be representing Ms. Elam. We waive formal reading of the charges and enter a plea of not guilty.
This case is before Judge Webb. Reappear in this court on May 30th at 10 o'clock. May 30th, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
State versus Joseph Farrell, criminal mischief in the second degree, 12-175.
Your Honor, I'm appearing for Ms. Copeland in this matter. It's set for a reappearance today.
Okay.
I'm not aware of any steps need to be taken this day. It probably needs to be set to appear again, Your Honor.
Say that again.
Probably needs to be set to appear back shortly, Your Honor. I'm not sure when the next appearance date is, but it probably needs to be for a resolution.
Let's see, continue on defense motion to May 23rd.
That'll be fine, Your Honor.
Very well. 12-139, State versus Justin Bowden, possession of marijuana with intent to deliver. Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
That case is set for trial, Your Honor, I believe, in the latter part of this month. I've spoken to Mr. Kincaid. We're going to continue that trial date with the court's permission, and we'll get a new date, Your Honor. I would like to have Mr. Bowden reappear, though, sometime that's convenient for the court, sometime after that May 23rd date, Your Honor.
June 27th.
That'll be good, Your Honor.
Free to go, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
13-79, State versus Jeffrey Webster, possession of marijuana, furnishing prohibited articles, 1379. You're appearing for attorney status, and looks like the public defender's going to represent you, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you reappear in this court on July 11th at 10 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
13-40, State versus Tyler Wheeler, theft and residential burglary. 1341 is theft and terroristic threatening.
Judge, we'll be representing Mr. Wheeler. He's been arraigned in April. Just request discovery in this case.
Okay.
Is 13-40 on your docket now, Judge? It is, okay.
Do you want him back before August 8th, or just leave it as scheduled?
Is that just a reappearance date, or is it a pre-trial date?
Oh, it's pre-trial.
That'd be fine, Judge, as long as it's not the trial date. Thank you.